Maximum and minimum points. In this module, you will learn about maximum and minimum points of a function. Recall that all lines slanting upwards towards the right have a positive slope, whereas lines slanting downwards towards the right have a negative slope. Also, the slope of horizontal lines is always 0. Suppose we are given a curve representing a function y equal to f of x. We know that the slope at any point on a curve is equal to the slope of the tangent to the curve at that point. We can see that the slope of the tangent keeps varying at different points on the curve. Let us mark points P, Q, R and S on the graph. Next, as we start from P, the slope of the tangent remains positive till it reaches point Q. At point Q, the slope of the tangent becomes 0. As the tangent moves towards R, its slope becomes negative. At R, the slope of the tangent changes to 0. Further, as the tangent moves towards S, its slope again becomes positive. The points on the curve where the slope of the tangent is 0 are called stationary points or turning points of the curve. The turning points always represent the maximum or minimum value of the function. When the slope of the curve at the points just before the turning point is positive and just after the turning point is negative, the turning point is called a maximum point or simply maximum because it represents the maximum value of the function. In contrast, when the slope of the curve at the points just before the turning point is negative and just after the turning point is positive, the turning point is called a minimum point or simply minimum because it represents the minimum value of the function. The maximum or minimum points can be absolute or local. When the maximum or minimum points represent the maximum or minimum value of the function in its whole domain, the points are called absolute maximum or minimum. When the maximum or minimum points represent the maximum or minimum value of the function with respect to the points in their given neighborhood, the points are called local maximum or minimum. The concept of maximum and minimum is greatly used in optimization problems. In this module, you have learned stationary points or turning points. These are the points on a curve where the slope of a tangent is 0. Maximum point. It is a turning point where the slope of a curve changes from positive to negative on moving from left to right on the curve. Minimum point. It is the